It won't be wrong to say that among all the smartphones that Redmi launches, the Redmi Note series is perhaps the most popular smartphone series from the brand. So far, we have got 8 iterations of the Redmi Note series, and the Redmi Note 9 series is expected to launch as early as next month. There haven't been any major leaks so far about the Redmi Note 9 series, maybe because we got more leaks of the Redmi K30 Pro, which is also launching soon. Today, however, a source shared the major specifications of the Redmi Note 9 and Redmi Note 9 Pro. Before talking about these specifications, I just want to say that this leak should be considered with a pinch of salt, since the information cannot be considered as 100% accurate. Another source has also shared the concept renders of the Redmi Note 9, which are based on the information that he got about the design of Redmi Note 9. As we can see, the Redmi Note 9 will have a quad camera setup on the back, just like the Redmi Note 8. But this time the camera module has a design similar to the design of the camera module on the Huawei Mate 20 series. Also on the front, there is a punch hole display, which is definitely an LCD instead of AMOLED because the Redmi Note 9 is a budget phone. Now talking about the specifications, the Redmi Note 9 has a Full HD Plus display with a punch hole for the selfie camera. Now it is not yet known where the punch hole is placed, so it could be on the top left or the top right or even in the middle. If you don't know, Xiaomi has already announced that it would be among the first brands globally to launch a smartphone with the Snapdragon 720G SoC. It looks like this phone is the Redmi Note 9. Well, that is what this latest leak reveals. Talking about the storage, there is 3, 4 or 6GB RAM with 32, 64 or 128GB storage. Also, the phone has a 5000 mAh battery, and the quad camera setup on the back includes a primary 48MP camera, a secondary 8MP ultra wide angle camera, a 2MP depth sensor and a 2MP macro lens. A couple of specifications of the Redmi Note 9 Pro have also been shared by the same source. So the Redmi Note 9 Pro is coming with a MediaTek Dimensity 800 SoC, which was launched last month for the mid-range smartphones. If this information is correct, then it looks like Redmi is once again going for a MediaTek SoC, something that happened with the Redmi Note 8 Pro of last year. The Redmi Note 9 Pro also has a 5000 mAh battery according to this leak. The quad camera setup is the same as the Redmi Note 9 except for the primary camera, which is a 64MP camera in case of the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Well, as I said in the beginning, you should consider this information with a pinch of salt, as there are chances that it is not 100% accurate. Still, if the leaked specifications are correct, then what do you think of the Redmi Note 9 and the Redmi Note 9 Pro? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.